Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to close a position on Exness. When you're trading in the financial markets, knowing how to close a position is just as important as opening one. Closing a position allows you to lock in your profit or limit your losses once a trade reaches your desired level. To begin, open your trading platform and log into your account on Exness. After signing in, you'll be taken to your trading dashboard, where you can see charts, trading pairs, and your current account balance. Once you're inside the platform, navigate to the Trade or Position section. This area displays all the trades that are currently open in your account. Each position will usually show details such as the trading pair, the trade size, the entry price, and the current profit or loss. Locate the position that you want to close. Then right to the side of it, there's a button that reads Close Position. Selecting this option tells the system that you want to exit the trade at the current market price. After reviewing the details, confirm the action to close the position. Once confirmed, the system will immediately execute the closing order and remove the trade from your list of active positions. The funds from the trade, including any profit or loss, will then be reflected in your account balance. Closing positions is a key part of risk management when trading. Many traders monitor their positions closely and close them when market conditions change or when their target profit level is reached. Some traders also use tools like take profit or stop loss orders so that positions close automatically when the market reaches certain price levels. Using these features on Exness can help traders manage risk and maintain better control over their trading strategies. By accessing your open trades, selecting the position you want to exit, and confirming the close action, you can quickly lock in your results and manage your trading account more effectively. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.